Hey guys, hi. Welcome to the session. This is the third session on chemistry. This is Trishi Ralwa. So today we'll deal with the chapter Structure of Atom from class 9. This is a chemistry chapter. So let's start. So in the today's session we'll be discussing about the structure of chapter, that is what and all is present in this chapter, and we'll know the function of the atom, and Indian contribution to chemistry and the basic structure of atom. So let's start. Okay, so we know that in your NCERT textbook the chapter is divided into mainly 4 parts. So the first part deals with the Dalton's atomic theory, second part deals with the subatomic particles, third part deals with the Rutherford's gold foil experiment, and the final part deals with Bohr's atomic theory. So today we will just deal with the introduction to the chapter, to this chapter, the structure of atom. So let's start with the function of atom. What is an atom? An atom is a basic structural unit of matter, right? It is tiny and indivisible in nature. In the previous chapter, that is matter in our surroundings, we studied that matter is composed of tiny indivisible particles called matter, right? So indirectly we can say that chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes, right? The chemical changes that undergoes with different elements, that the study of these things is called as chemistry. It's a subject, right? So we know that matter consists of substances which are made up of molecules. Matter is also composed of molecules. What are these molecules? Molecules are nothing but group of atoms. Okay, group of atoms which are combined in a specific chemical way, right? So thus we can say that structural unit of matter is an atom. Okay, so we can call them as the building blocks of chemistry or building blocks of matter, right? In biology you might have studied about cell. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of living organisms, all living organisms. Similarly, we can say that atom is a basic structural and functional unit of matter. Okay, so now we will learn about the Indian contribution to chemistry. So the Indians, they have already discovered the divisibility nature of matter, right? Divisibility nature, that is matter can be divided. So Maharshi Kannad in the 800 to 1000 BC time range, he said that if we go on dividing matter, we get smaller and smaller particles. What? If we go on dividing matter, we get smaller and smaller particles. Okay, in one particular stage wherein you cannot divide the particle anymore, that is called as an atom. So his name for the atom is basically the Parmanu. He coined the term Parmanu, that is the smallest indivisible particle. Okay, he could not divide it into more parts, that is called as an atom. Okay, atom or Parmanu according to his nomenclature. So next we will learn the structure of atom, that is the final topic of today's class. So we know that an atom has a positively charged nucleus. So the nucleus is positively charged because there are more protons than the number of neutrons. So I will just write it as P is greater than N. Okay, more protons than the number of neutrons. So mainly protons and neutrons contribute to the mass of the atom, right? And electrons orbit around the nucleus in specific definite orbits. Okay, protons and neutrons contribute to the mass of the atom, that is the main positively charged atom. So I can represent atom as a positive, the nucleus of an atom as plus sign enclosed in a circle, and these are the orbits. So this is the basic structure of atom, right? So protons have positive charge, neutrons have neutral charge, electrons have negative charge. Okay, electrons have negative charge, right? Electrons have negative charge. You got to know about it, right? Now nucleus is positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. So what happens? Electrons revolve around a nucleus. That is according to the electrodynamics, right? So there will be a force of attraction that keeps the electrons in place around the orbits. Okay, keep it in mind. So this is it for today. In today's session we mainly discussed about the structure of the chapter, that is what and all are there in the chapter, and the function of atom, that is it is the structural unit, building blocks of matter or chemistry, and we learnt about the indivisible nature of matter by the Indian contribution to chemistry, that is the Maharshi Kannad's theory. And we also learnt about the basic structure of atom, that is it encloses a positively charged nucleus, and mass is mainly concentrated in the nucleus, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in definite orbits. The nucleus is positively charged because number of protons is greater than number of neutrons in the nucleus. So this is the basics of this chapter, the structure of atom. In the coming sessions we will mainly discuss about subatomic particles and also the main theories, that is the Bohr theory of matter and Bohr theory of atom, and the Rutherford's experiment, and also the James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson's experiments to discover the subatomic particles. Till then, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye. Please do like, subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.